What's up, people? DJ Goodot here with a little tutorial on how to make your tires look super awesome with just a little bit of effort. And by using nothing but little Platinum Power Wash. So we're just going to go ahead and spray it on down. I'm going to go ahead and let that sit there. Let's go do the other one. Okay, so now we got both of them. Now I know that, heck, we can go to AutoZone or O'Reilly's or whatever auto parts store you really choose and pick whatever tire foam stuff that you want. And stuff works pretty good. I mean, don't get me wrong, it always works pretty good. But it's been on there, maybe 30 seconds. Look at how it's just cleaning the dirt off already. I mean, it's already working to the point that it's doing great. Now, if I let this sit here for, I don't know, 5-6 minutes, whatever, I'm sure it would do a great job, no problem. But go ahead and just leave it on there for the 30 seconds it was or whatever. Well, we'll just go ahead and wipe it off. And I didn't even do the rim or anything of the sorts, but I guess I could have. And now look at that. I mean, I have to say that's kind of impressive. Let's go to the back one here. You can see it's been working its way in everything as well. Now I started with a clean rag. This is the other side. Yeah, a little wipe. And now, good as new, and well, here's the rag. So who knew? Who's to say that you got to go to the auto parts store and spend $7-8 on a can of tire detail, or, well, heck, I mean, they all range. You can spend the sky's the limit with this kind of stuff. I'd already done the passenger side earlier tonight. And when it fully dries, it looks fantastic. No water. I just sprayed the power wash on it, let it sit, and then wiped them off. and they look great. Helpful tip for you guys. I hope you appreciate it. Make sure to give a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. I'll bring you some more stuff.